Introducing a simple, health-packed, turmeric shot recipe to supercharge your day. All you need is 1 ripe orange, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger or its equivalent, a bunch of fresh turmeric about 2.7 inches long root to 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and a juicer. Ready to make some magic? Take the orange, ginger, coconut water, and turmeric and process them in your juicer. Watching these ingredients transform into a vibrant, yellow elixir is like watching a scene straight out of a healthy lifestyle film. You can also add lemon if you like. Try it with honey and see what flavor you like. Now for the final touch. Add in some freshly cracked black pepper and a half a teaspoon of melted coconut or olive oil to boost absorption. Don't have a juicer? No problem, using a blender and then straining it works as well, so there's nothing standing between you and this nutrient-filled shot. If you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe.